Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday. And this week what we're going to be fixing is pizza meatloaf. I like pizza, I like meatloaf. Let's combine the two together. Alright, I've got roughly 2 pounds of burger, a pound of sausage, 2 eggs, some Italian seasoning, around a pound of cheese, some milk, roughly a cup it looks like here, some breadcrumbs, and pizza sauce. You could add whatever else you'd like to this, folks. Onion be great. This is the way we're going to get started today. Alrighty, we're just going to, instead of getting a lot of stuff dirty, we're just going to mix it all right in this here. A 1-pot pan deal. How easy to clean up be on that. Alright, let's get started. Where you going? Make sure you get all your paper off of it. Alrighty. Now we're just sort of going to incorporate the burger and the sausage together. You don't want to overwork your burger and sausage too much there. And you can also put in shredded pepperoni if you'd like. We're not going to do that today. Now, sort of flatten this out a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands. And then we'll add in the breadcrumbs and other stuff. Alright, we're going to roughly put in about a cup. Give or take a little bit. It ain't going to hurt nothing. Just stretch it out that much further. Alrighty. Now, put our egg in here. We're going to put 2 eggs. We're still trying to get over the old COVID. As you can tell by Carolyn coughing there. Alrighty, we're going to put in some Italian dressing. Not Italian dressing, Italian seasoning. Put a little bit more than that. Alrighty, going to put in a little bit of salt. We'll put in some black pepper, and then we'll be mixing this all together here in just a minute. Now, let's put our milk in there. And what do we have? We have a mess. Nah, not really, folks. Now, the fun part, we get to squish all this here together, mix it all up. Incorporate it together. Like I said, you don't want to like I said, you don't want to. As you can tell, my COVID or cameraman still got a little bit of COVID.
Woman.
Camera woman. Sorry about that, Shug. Fold it over, get it all incorporated together. Let it all come together. Now what we're going to do, we're going to flatten it out pretty good here. Like this here. Then, we ain't shaping it yet. Just flatten that down. Let me wash my hands again so I can get the cheese opened up. So what we're going to do, we'll open up one of the things of cheese. Like I said, folks, all these recipes that we show you, just make it yours. If you think you'd rather add something else to it, go right ahead. These easy, just grab the scissors. Having a heck of a time getting the cheese open, folks. These recipes we give you, it is just for giving you ideas on what you can do. And what we're doing, we're just going to lay this cheese out in here. We'll save the other pack to put on top in a little bit. Now, stick your fingers over and just pull it back over top that cheese where you're sort of just stuffing the cheese then. Maybe a big blooper here in a minute if I pull the whole glass pan off in the floor. That'd be bad. Now, just fold it over. Now, just sort of shape it up. Now, I've got the oven preheating right now at 400 degrees. We'll put this in there. And after about 15 minutes, we'll put the other cheese on there, maybe 20 minutes. We'll take a look and see. And then we'll pour the pizza sauce. Alrighty, just shape it up there however you like. Okay, let's put it away. Alrighty, folks. We've cooked this here now for 20 minutes. Now what we're going to do, we're going to pour on. Let me grab us a spoon here real quick. Going to put our pizza sauce on. Just spoon this around. And what we'll do, we'll put it back in the oven and we're going to bake it for probably about 40 minutes more. We'll check the temperature and then we'll put on our cheese. Alrighty, now we'll put it back in the oven for 40 more minutes. Then we'll check the temperature, see how it's looking. Alrighty, this was after 40 minutes more. So we've got it a total now of 60 minutes. Let's check the temperature inside. Seemed to be must have hit the cheese cavity. It seems to be just going on through there now. It's a little thick. Okay.
Our oven's a little wonky too.
Yeah, our oven's a little wonky like Carolyn just said. So So 156. It's not quite done yet. But that's good. We're going to put the cheese on there now. And we're going to put it in there for about 15 more minutes and we'll check it after that. Alright. See if we can get this cheese open. We had a heck of a time with the other pack. Or Doug had a heck of a time with the other pack. Alrighty. I'm just going to lay that on there. However you want to lay it on there, be fine. Alrighty. Now, let's stick it back in the oven again. Like I said, for 15 more minutes and we'll go from there. Alrighty folks, there's what it is. We're going to let it sit just for a few minutes. We had to put it back in the oven there for another 15 minutes. So altogether that got us up to, it was around 1 hour and 30 minutes. Like I said, this was pretty thick. We'll let it sit here just for a minute and we'll cut it and see how it is. Alrighty folks, now like Carolyn says, our oven is a little bit wonky. So your time may vary than different from ours. Just check it with the meat thermometer. Just make sure it's done. I don't want none of my people getting sick here. And you all have a great day. Thank you again for watching.